Yes, the question we have on the board says if 3x plus 2y equal to 16 and x minus y equal to 4, what is the value of y? This is a simple simultaneous equation. We are given two equations and we are asked to find y. The first equation says 3x plus 2y equal to 16. That's equation 1. Then the second equation says x minus y equal to 4. That's equation 2. So because it's an exam, I would suggest we use the method called substitution, which I think is simpler. What do I mean? Now we have two equations. This one is, even from the look, is simpler. So let's get the value of x from this equation 2. X will now be what? 4. Don't forget, when this sign is moving from this side to this side, it will change to positive. This is negative, it will change to positive. That means x is equal to 4 plus y. That's equation 3. Then the next thing for us to do is to carry this value and substitute into x. Don't forget 3x plus 2y equal to 16. So we are going to carry this value and put here. So what do I mean? This is going to be 3, 4 plus y plus 2y equal to 16. We have not done anything spectacular. What we did is we carried this value, which is our x, into x. Don't forget. So now let's expand. This is going to be 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 3 multiplied by plus y, which is going to be what? 3y plus 2y equal to 16. Good, our like times are close. So this is going to be 3y plus 2y. That's going to be 5y equal to 16. Don't forget, we are just bringing it down, nothing strange. You have not done anything, no magic. So now, this is 5y equal to 16. Then we are going to transfer this to this side. I'm going to transfer it because they are like times. So this is going to be what? 12. Don't forget this plus here. So when it crosses the equal to sign, it will change to negative. So 16 minus 12 is what? 4. 5y equal to 4. So if you want to get y, you divide y by 5, here by 5. This is going to be, so y will be what? 4 all over 5. Yeah, the next question says, which of the following fractions is equivalent to 3 all over 5? Very simple. We have A, 1 over 3, 2, 2 all over 5. We have C, 6 all over 10. We have D, 8 all over 12. This is the fraction. We are looking for an equivalent fraction. If you multiply the numerator by 2 and then numerator by 2, you will get 3 times 2, 6. 5 times 2, 10. That's the answer, C. Yeah, the next question says, what is the value of 6 divided by 2 all over 3? Very, very simple. Whenever you are confronted with something like this, you do, when you multiply it, this denominator will go up, numerator will come down, because you cannot solve it like this. So you have to convert it to multiplication, which is going to be what? 3 all over 2, which is what? 18 divided by 2, which is what? 9. Yes. The next question says, what is the Roman numeral of the Arabic number 998? Before we go into this question proper, I want us to know that M is 1000. That's the Roman numeral for 1000. C is 100. And X is 10. V is 5. 3, 2, and 1. Having known this, the next thing, whenever you are asked to solve anything on Roman numeral, make sure you represent them like this. You have not done anything strange. If you add this together, it will give you what? 8. If you add this together, it will give you what? 9. If you add this together, it will give you. So for it to be very simple for you, simplify it like this, then you get the answer. So what are you going to do? Now you want to write 900. 900 is 1000 minus 100. 1000 minus 100. So when it is subtraction, you are going to write it at the left hand side, which is going to be CM, that is 1000 minus 100. If it is addition, if it is like this, MC, that means 1000 plus 100, which is going to be what? 1100. But when it is written at the left hand side, it's 1000 minus 100, which is what? 900. Then the next one is 90. How do we get 90? 90 is 100 minus 10, which is what? 100 is C, then minus 10, that is 90. Then if you want to write your 8, we have been given 5 to be this. Then it's going to be 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 will give us what? 8. So it's very simple. You have to now represent all of them systematically. And this is the answer.